There's the old one there. And just to take it out, finally got it drained down. Alright, and this is the new one here. Just gotta get the rest of the gas out to finish hooking that up to upgrade that. Also have the relief valve ran. You can see this is just another 3/4 pipe looking straight up, so I just adapted to that. Okay. And it's going across here, going over to the relief valve here. I worked out that how that water went, that cold water. Got the inspection tank on the way they had it coming directly down on the other one. So I had to take it, finish it down, turn it, and then turn it again so it comes up. I don't know if you can see that. Straight up. In between the pressure reducing valve there. Okay, straight up through there and onto the expansion tank. Also got the fluke to work. And then probably one of the old flukes off the other water heater. For the sake of time, we'll just get one as we go for that other one. So the hot water was really short. But once I got it in here, I happened to make it work if I turned it slightly. They don't really want us to take too much off of the old one when installing a new one, so I went on ahead and made it work. Or at least got it hooked up. So that's why I turned slightly so I can get that hot water hooked up. Let's see if we can't turn this on. Way back here. May need a pair of channel locks on this. Oh, there we go. Turn it off just for now. I noticed that right here, this valve is pretty close. See that? So I want to check everything else before I fill this. But also I want to take the heater and perhaps pull it over for a little room so this is free. I didn't notice that right away, but a lot of things you notice after the fact, so you can adjust. So what I'll do is I'll try to get it over some, so I'm going to need 2 hands for that, so bear with me. Okay, everything seems to be still intact. Hot water, I was worried about the hot water being like it is. But everything worked out good. Got a little room over there, so it can be turned freely back and forth. It's not much, but at least it's not up against the heater. So let's try that again. Let's try that again. good. Let some of the air off. Actually, yeah, it's looking like everything is already filled up. Go ahead and make sure these are off. It's the kitchen. They hadn't cut the sink in yet, but they put the countertop on this morning. And those are off. I can tell by their, I checked them a little while ago. I just wanted to make sure there's no water coming out anywhere. Let's go ahead and check the 2 bathrooms here. Oh yeah. Let's see, we have a, looks like the angle stop is letting water through. So I'm gonna have to shut that down and deal with that. Can't tell on the hot one yet, but everything else looks okay. Oh, and this has to be turned slightly to off. Yeah, that one's not a big deal. That one's not a big deal at all. So let's get the water turned back off so we can take care of that. Also, I have a little bit of water here on the same place. Yeah, so it looks like that has to be, looks like it just has to be tightened up more. So I'll go ahead and shut that down and take care of that. So that's it for now. I'll come back in later and show you how it's going. So with that, I say shalom.